Green Solutions International (SKN) is in Linden, Guyana, delivering expert-led, internationally recognized solar energy training as part of the GuySol Women in Solar Energy Apprenticeship Program.
So the purpose of this 5 weeks is to give you the theoretical knowledge, but also the hands-on experience and familiarity with the common tools that you're going to use when you get out into the solar industry. And so the hope is by the end of these 5 weeks, you'll have a wide range of knowledge and background in solar electric, how it works.
Trainees are guided through classroom sessions and practical exercises in solar PV installation, safety, and energy systems. With support from a fully equipped mobile solar lab, this training bridges theory and practice, preparing participants to meet real-world demands in the renewable energy sector.
Our mobile solar training lab is developed to bring hands-on experiential training to any classroom setting, whether we are in a classroom that has a nice yard for us, whether we are on the road in remote locations, or like here, if we are setting up outside, wheeling this to a covered area where we can work on while we're getting a little bit of sprinkles of rain throughout the day, and then wheel it right into the classroom so that this hands-on aid becomes part of the classwork what the students get to experience from day one.
The program is also designed to build leadership, technical confidence, and job readiness, with participants working towards NABCEP certification, a globally recognized credential in solar energy.
We're very pleased that we have so many women participating in this program, because we know in the solar industry it's mostly a male-dominated industry, and we're glad for GuySol, GPL, the IDB who funded the program, to actually extend this program to have more women participating in such an initiative.
Green Solutions International (SKN), locally rooted, globally connected. To learn more about training courses offered by GSI, visit www.greensolutionsskn.com.